This is Channel 4. Please stand by for more information. This is Channel 4. Please stand by for more information. This is Channel 4. We have some emergency information to share with you. Scientists have just discovered a new deadly virus that has the power to reanimate living beings into deadly creatures. They have called it the Plasmavirus, and early signs of it include the following: sudden drowsiness, unexplained weight changes, and suddenly getting angry for no reason. There are more symptoms to be announced. We do not have any more information to share with you right now, so please stand by.